Hello, this is the second video on the topic system of linear equations, part 2. In this part we will talk about what's a linear equation or what's a system of linear equation. Well, a system of linear equations or a linear system is a collection of one or more linear equations involving the same variables. For example, we have this linear equation 2x1 minus x2 plus 1.5 x3 equals 8. And we have this another linear equation, x1 minus 4x3 equals minus 7. Okay, this is a linear equation and this is another linear equation. These two equations together calls a system of linear equations. The solution of this system is a list S1, S2, S3, etc. so on till Sn of numbers. These are numbers, can be real numbers or complex numbers, just numbers, that makes each equation a true statement when these values are submitted in these two equations. So this means that these numbers that are called solutions of the system, if you put all these numbers or replace these numbers in the variables of each equation, makes each of these equations a true statement. What it means? That it will make that this part has to be equal, because here is the sign equal, to this part. The same here. These numbers, they have to make that this part, when you replace these numbers to the variables x1 and x3, they have to make that this part has to be equal to this part. That's to make the equation a true statement. That the equal sign has to be true. This side equals to this side. So when these numbers can make that possible, when you replace the numbers to the variables x1, x2, x3 here, then these numbers are called solutions of the systems. Okay, this is the theoretical part. We will see examples, so don't confuse. For example, we will see for this example that we have now, which numbers makes this system or this equality true. Oh, in other words, what's the solution of this system? Well, how to find a solution we will see later, but just have in mind that, for instance, this set 5, 6.5 and 3 is the solution of the system of this system, all this system. Why? If you replace 5 in x1, 6.5 in x2, and 3 in x3, you will see that these two equations will be true. Just do the replacement. In the first equation here, we will call this equation equation 1. We will call equation 1 and this equation equation 2. Just replace these values in equation 1. So we have 2x1, we will not put x1, x1 is 5 now, here, minus x2, x2 is 6.5, plus 1.5 x3, there is 3 equals 8. So if we solve this, we will see that all this is equal to 8. Equal, this a go here down. Okay, then we see that this statement is true. 8 is equal to 8. So that means that these values make this first equation a true statement. It's true, 8 equals to 8. Now we replace these same values in the second equation, in equation 2. This was in equation 1. Now we will do the same in equation 2. Okay, just replace the values. x1 now is 5. 5 minus 4 times x3. x3 is 3, because here. And this is equal to minus 7. This is what the equations say. Okay, if we solve this, then we see also that this is minus 7. And this just go further down, equals to minus 7. This is a true statement. Yeah, minus 7 is equals to minus 7. So, again, these values make this second equation also a true statement. So, that values make true statement these two equations, 1 and 2. So, in this case, we say that 5, 6.5, and 3 are the solutions of this system of linear equations, or a linear system. When two systems of linear equation or two linear system has the same solution set, then we say that the two systems are equivalent. This is one linear system, and if we have another linear system that also have the same solutions, then we say that this linear system with this linear system are equivalent. This is just a name. Okay, in the third part, we will graphic the solution of this linear equation. We see now the algebra part, how to find the solution, how to replace, and how to know that a group of numbers is the solution of a linear system, but also we can see this in analytics geometry. So what I mean by this is that we can see this also making graphics. Okay, this is the equation of a line, these two, so we can graphic it as a line, and in this way also we can see and we can interpret it, how we can have an idea what a solution of a system linear equation is. And this is a good approach for later when we will see matrix. Then you have an idea what it means, the solution of a linear system. Thank you. See you in the next video.